Hey, hello, it's Netta Monroe. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, but I'm collaborating again with Luvme Hair. I normally do these videos on my clients, but y'all, this wig was so dope that I had to do it on myself. So I'm going to show you guys how I slayed this 180 density chestnut brown color lace frontal wig from Luvme Hair. Remember to use code NETA20 at checkout to save 20% off when you shop with Luvme Hair. So let's get to it. This is the packaging. So of course your wig is going to come in this purple mesh bag. You get a wig cap that's a new color. You get the Luvme Hair pamphlet. Ain't she cute on the front? You also get these beautiful eyelashes. They're actually like a good everyday pair, nothing too dramatic. And in this pouch you get a hair wax stick, which is super popular in the frontal world right now, a rat tail comb, always useful, two of these clips. You get some bobby pins. We also have some tweezers in here, but I have my own favorite pair of tweezers, and then an elastic band in case you have to replace your strap. So this is the unit, y'all. Look at this color. It is so dimensional. Like, it is 2 to 3 browns in this unit, and it has a nice elastic band in there, nice and sturdy. So the hairline does come pre-plucked, but I'm me, okay? So I did have to go in and pluck a little bit more hair out because I like a more plucked hairline look. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the dome cap, and I'm gonna go ahead and set that with got2b freeze spray and cut off the excess cap. Y'all have seen this done a million times on YouTube. So I'm just gonna plop this unit on and see how it fits. It fits great, and I'm gonna cut off the excess lace. This wig fits so well that you really don't need any combs or anything. There are combs inside of this wig unit, but when I tell y'all this wig unit fit my head perfect, it fits perfect. So I'm just cutting off that lace, making sure not to cut in a completely straight line, kind of just making a little jagged line as I go. And that for me helps to make sure that like people's eyes don't catch the lace too easily. So I'm just gonna pluck out the areas where I want like a little bit of baby hair. Just want it to be really fine. I don't like super thick baby hair. Yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and map that out, and then I go ahead and cut those hairs nice and short, not too short, not too long. It's easier to fix if you cut it too long though. I'm also using the yellow tube of got2b, only a very little bit. We don't want them hard looking baby hairs, baby. We don't want them hard baby hairs. It's a baby hair. Babies are soft, okay? So we're just gonna go ahead and place them with our rat tail comb. And I also did curl my hair off camera with a flat iron, but this is the finished look. Make sure that you check in the description box. The links to Luvme Hair will be down there. Follow me on social media at @IM_Netta Monroe. Also, I will have Luvme Hair social media down in the description box as well. Remember to use code NETA20 at checkout to get 20% off of your order. And I will see you guys next time in my next video.